One of the AI website that create for you videos from your text when describing by your text is Pika.Art. It's a free website recently been open to everyone to try and see how it feels, how the results of these videos suit you. As you can see, you can go now directly to the website, register by your Google account or by Discord account. So you can use either of one. As you can see, you can use the Discord by giving the command here and create the prompt here on this Discord. But we're not going to talk about the Discord a lot. I'm going to share the link of the invite to this Discord in case if you like to join this Discord group and see it for yourself. In case if you want a video about Discord, we can make a separate video for that. Now we'll talk about the website itself because I feel it's more easier for most of users to interact with the visual interaction like this. Now we can go to the explore page when you log in and you see the samples being created by others. Let's explain to you the simple how to can create a video here. Go to your library. Here you can go down and describe your story. I'm gonna segregate or give you a separate understanding of how you can describe your story. We need to describe first the medium of what or where the location or how that movie feel like. You can say it's animation or 3D or realistic and all this kind of describing what video output you want. Let's say animation. We can make it as a style as well. The second thing is a style, how you want to make it, like an action, drama, scary, anything kind of explaining what kind of movie this or this video. Let's say action film. Now we'll explain the subject. Who's the person, where is the focus on? And the person and the subject and where they located. Let's say a woman. Now we need to describe the subject, what the subject is doing. Let's say walking alone, thinking. We can add to that two external effects. What is happening maybe in the weather and the road, something is happening. Let's say snowy. We can see the options of the video. Here the option you can aspect ratio. You can select the aspect ratio you prefer. This is the frame rate, of course, 24. And here the video options, you can have like a zoom. You can control the camera here. Either strength of motion, you want it faster or slow. You can go with a parameter in case if you have a seed number of any photos you want to go and play with that. You want to negative prompt, in case you remove anything from that photo or that video being created. But now we leave it as it is. Consistency with a text. More number is going to give you more details literally with your text. Let's keep it at 17. Now we can hit generate. And the video start generating here. As you can see, this is a video being created. Now she's talking to herself, as you see. This is what we described. Now, after this video being generated, let's play with this video and see what option we have. We can retry it with the same prompt and give you maybe different kind of photo. Let's hit this retry and see what is the results. Now, we'll go back to the photo and we can see the prompt can use the same text and we'll edit on that text or the description of that video. Here you have edit. Edit can help you to do two things here. Either to modify a region, there's a place you want to modify on this video, or to expand the canvas. You keep it maybe upscale or expand it to different size. As you can see here, this way. And here we can go to modify region as well, in case if I want to wear something like a hat, let's say. That works, because it's moving a lot. I'm not sure it's gonna work or not, but we'll try it. Let's say red hat, and we'll hit generate or close it. The video starts generating for these two, the retry, as you can see, and this one with the changing of the region. Other thing you can do up until the time is being generated, you can, this modification, you can do other things like adding 4 seconds to this video. Let's try this one as well here and generate this, and let's go with the other one, which is upscale. Upscale will give you more details in your video with a higher resolution. We'll see now the results for each one and see what is the difference here. Now let's look at the first photo we generated. This is when after we retry it, this is the photos we got. Now we'll go back to the photos with the modify region. Nothing happened actually here. I think because the movement is much. We'll try different to modify in different way. Here we have added 4 seconds. As you can see now, the video is about 7 seconds. Here we have done the upscales of the video. Let me try do something here. You cannot do any edit on the upscales one. You can do edit here. Let's say black sunglasses and generate that. As you can see, this finally works. After modify region, we make her wear black sunglasses. You can do again, like add 4 seconds, edit and do whatever you want to do here. Now let's talk about the other part of this, which we can actually use any photos you have or video to animate. Let's say I want to animate this photo. Simply just attach it here. And in case you want to add something to this, you can add, but keep it as it is. You can play with these options. Motion, maybe let's go with a zoom, anything here in case of the other text, of course, but generate it without text and see the results. As you can see now, this is the result of the animation. You can, of course, do the same thing, add 4 seconds, you try it, and maybe we can retry and see maybe this didn't like it. Basically, this is what Pika is doing. And we can keep trying different, images, different description until you get what you want. Or you can go ahead and go to the Explorer and see what others is creating. Maybe you can take the same, take the seeds from any photo and see what is they have applied, our descriptions. Basically, you can apply it to the photo and take something similar to that. As you can see, this is the second try. Every time you try it, or you can do some edit on this and give you maybe different results. At the end of this video, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace.